Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer crypto from Ledger to MetaMask step by step clearly. Start by ensuring your Ledger device is connected to your computer. Open the Ledger Live application. Enter your PIN to access your Ledger account. In Ledger Live, navigate to the Accounts section. Select the cryptocurrency account from which you want to transfer funds. Click on the Send button. Enter the amount you wish to transfer. Now, open the MetaMask extension in your browser. Log into your MetaMask wallet. If you haven't created a wallet yet, follow the prompts to set one up. Once in MetaMask, copy your wallet address. Return to Ledger Live and paste the MetaMask wallet address into the recipient field. Double-check the wallet address for accuracy to avoid any loss of funds. Choose the appropriate network to ensure compatibility with your cryptocurrency. Review all transfer details including amount and fees. Confirm the transaction in Ledger Live. Your Ledger will prompt you to verify the transaction details. Follow the prompts on your Ledger device to approve the transaction. Once approved, the transaction will be initiated. You can check the status of the transfer in Ledger Live. Open your MetaMask wallet and monitor for the incoming transaction. It may take a few moments for the transfer to reflect in MetaMask. Once completed, your funds should now appear in your MetaMask wallet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve accounts. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.